you've been on a cruise before, packing for Alaska is quite different. We're taking a repositioning cruise that's going from LA up to Vancouver, which that cruise ship will then be going on to Alaska. But I'm packing the same way. This is exactly what I'm gonna be packing when we go to Alaska this summer. So what I'd like to do is we're gonna start from the inside, what you're gonna wear closest to your body, and then go to the outside to show the different layers, because that is the key to Alaska, because you never know what you're gonna get. You could be hot one day and it could be freezing cold the next day. So you wanna be ready for anything. And the way to do that is to bring layers. Underneath it all, I have packed in my packing cubes. I have socks and underwear and sleepwear for me, and the same for Noah. And one thing I want to just note is that I do have packing cubes in 2 different colors. That way Noah has his colors and I have my colors. So let's start with the base layer. I'm going to be going from my side to Noah's side. So we're going to see both what I'm bringing and what Noah's bringing, just so you have an idea what should you bring. So I'm bringing some tank tops. It's just what I like to wear. If you prefer t-shirts, that could be your base layer. Something that you like to keep that's not hot, you know, that's just something you can keep close to your body, but it adds a layer of warmth. For Noah, that means t-shirts. So we have 4 t-shirts for Noah going. So that's the base layer. Let's go to one layer out of that. So one layer out of that would be like a flannel. So I'm bringing a couple flannels that are for warmth. I'm also bringing this like short sleeve cover top, because when we went to Ketchikan last year, it got really hot and I had like a flannel on. I was burning up. So I would want to wear actually the base layer, then this layer, then another layer. That way I can take one of those layers off if I get too hot. Next, I also do have a couple layers that if you know it's gonna be cold, you know it's gonna be cold. You could wear like a layer like this. That way you have another layer. It's a little warmer for you. Now for Noah, he's bringing a couple pullovers. Well, this is a long sleeve t-shirt, and then he has a couple pullovers for warmth, and also he has a flannel. So those are all warmth layers that you could kind of mix and match and overlayer. So it's all on the top. Let's keep going on the top. So the next layer on the top for me would be like a warmer jacket. So this jacket's super warm. It's lightweight, but it's super warm. I love that jacket. And then for Noah, you don't have a jacket like that. Are you gonna bring one?
I have the rain jacket. I was just gonna put a sweater on or something like that underneath it to layer that way.
Okay.
Just bringing the one jacket.
He's more warm-blooded than me. Then I'm gonna bring a raincoat. So the raincoat, this is super cool. So what you do, this is a good trick. You bring a raincoat with a hood, and if it's raining, you put your hat on, and then the hood comes up over the hat, and then it keeps the rain from dripping on your face. I learned that from Cruise TV. What a great tip. And then Noah also has a rain jacket. This rain jacket is actually really heavy. So your rain jacket's warmer than mine. So that's why you don't need to bring a rain jacket. Other headwear is I would bring a cap of some kind. So I have one. What's this? Noah always has to sneak in some cookies. We talked about the top. Let's talk about the bottom. One thing that I'm gonna bring is some leggings. So that way, if it is cold, I can wear leggings under my jeans. And I'm bringing 2 pairs of jeans, and I'm gonna wear 1 pair of jeans on the plane. And for Noah, the same thing. So he'll also have 2 pairs of jeans and wear 1 pair of jeans on the plane. And then, I'm not sure why you're bringing these.
Something warmer to wear at night in case it's a little chilly in the cabin, because I think last time we went it was a little chilly, so just having like jammy shorts or something wasn't quite enough. So that's nice. That's nice to have that. And then if I'm feeling up to it, maybe the gym, something there, but we'll see about that.
We'll see about that. I'll believe that when I see it. Let's go on to shoes during the day. During the day for shoes for me, I'm gonna have just my walking shoes. These are leather, so they repel water well. So if it is raining out, I'm fine with bringing those. And then Noah, and I'm gonna wear those on the plane, so that way they're not like heavy in my bag. And then Noah is gonna bring hiking shoes, and are you gonna wear those on the plane?
Yeah, I guess so. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Either that or I'll wear the kind of lace-up, nicer shoes on the plane.
Yeah, the idea of having less shoes in your bag, because shoes weigh a lot. This is a nice trick for your shoes. So what you can do is, instead of putting your shoes in a bag like this, they take up a lot of space, is I like to just use, like, they're just shower caps. This one actually is more like a nightcap, but a shower cap and nightcap to put over your shoes. That way you're just packing for the amount of your shoes. We're set for the day. We got our pants, we got our base layer, we got our warmth layers, we got our rain layers. We're layered up. At nighttime, you don't have to get so layered up because you're in a climate controlled ship. But so for most nights, I'm gonna wear the same thing I wore at night as I wore in the day. I'm not gonna change for the nighttime. But there are 2 dress nights. So on the dress nights, for me, I'm bringing just a pair of black pants and just like a nice top to go with it. These I could also wear during the day if I wanted to have another pair of pants to wear during the day. And then I am bringing a nice dress that's stuck underneath this. So I'm bringing a nice dress for the fancy night. To go with those, I'm just gonna bring a pair of black shoes that would go with both outfits. So I'm gonna bring 1 pair of shoes that could go with both outfits. For Noah, he's gonna bring a pair of khakis. Are you gonna wear them for both dress nights? The same khakis?
Sure, why not?
I agree, why not? And then you brought quite a few shirts. So just like a polo and a nice button up, another button up, and then a long sleeve button up. Why so many?
Well, let's see, the blue short sleeve one, that one is nice because it's wrinkle free.
Okay.
And the black polo is also wrinkle free.
Okay. All right.
And like you said too, I don't mind having short sleeve shirts are a little more comfortable at dinner, and the ship's heated, so I'm not so worried about being cold then.
All right. And bringing this like shawl. So this is nice because it could work like a scarf, like during the day if I get cold, or I can wear it like over at night, like over like a shawl like this. So that's kind of nice to keep you warm. This is my cruise essentials. I am not gonna go over everything that's in the toiletry bag in this video, but if you are interested in a video about what essentials to bring on a cruise, leave a comment below. We've done the tops, we've done the bottoms, we've done the layers. You are ready for your Alaskan packing for your Alaskan cruise. If you want to know more about how to avoid some mistakes on your Alaskan cruise, watch this video next. Happy sailing!